Should you create AI-generated pictures, photos, and put them online or on your flyers or whatever you have there? This is the topic of the episode today. It's the sixth episode in AI for the 99%, where we go into details and tips and tricks for all those 99% that make up the economy. You know, not the big ones, the small ones are 99%, and we keep things going in the economy. It's Dietmar from Argo.Berlin at the microphone, and today, don't forget to hit subscribe on your podcasting app to not miss the episodes. It's Dietmar from Argo.Berlin at the microphone, and let's dive right into the topic. So if you go to ChatGPT, you can tell ChatGPT, create me a photo, create a picture. You give some details and you get something out. You can even format it if you say, like, make it horizontal, make it vertical, make it in the style of Roy Lichtenstein or Rubens or Rembrandt or whatever, and you get something like this. It's great. It works, and you should invest some time in it, because you might have realized now, if you walk down the busy street, the high street, you see so many, like a barber shop with an AI-generated picture there. You get newsletters with those AI-generated pictures. And at a certain point, I'm quite sure you also realized it's the same style. It's really looking the same. So if you do something, if you want to take an AI-generated picture, go into the details, make something like I said with this, in this style of, and use an artist you have in mind or a photographer, and then you get something out of it that looks not typical AI-generated. At least it's not so easy to spot it anymore, and it has some originality. So think about that you give more into the field, the prompt field there, than just give me a photo. And also one thing, care. This is really important, because there's still a lot of mistakes in those pictures. Is everything logical? The number of fingers more or less work now. The number of fingers work now, but also is the proportion right? So the cars in the background, are they the same proportion, in proportional size to the people? Look at those things. So style, proportion, that's important. A third thing is LinkedIn just told us, if you post artificial intelligence pictures with your posts, you get penalized. Might be that the other social networks work the same. So generally, the point of AI pictures, you can use them in social media, but you might better use real ones. And so as a conclusion, if you want to use pictures from AI generated through ChatGPT, Leonardo AI, Midjourney, or whatever, you can do that, but you have to be careful. You have to see that the style is individual, that everything is logical. If you post to social media, that you might get penalized for posting with an AI picture. That's the rules. And if you keep them, if you keep to them, then you can definitely do something with those pictures, because it's much easier than going through those free picture databases like Pixabay, or to pay even some stock for some stock photos. But be careful using them. Great that you stayed to the end of the episode. Thank you for listening. Don't forget to hit follow on your podcasting app. And it's Dietmar from Argo Berlin signing off. The homework for today is create pictures with AI. If you didn't do that yet, if you are excessively doing that, you can skip that homework. But if not, try to play around with those tools. The tools like Leonardo AI, they give you some free credits. ChatGPT already does that. Play around, see what you get out of it. It's really fascinating what works today. So It's Dietmar from Argo.Berlin signing off. See you in the next episode.